Fifth standard students, let us start from page number 162, helping hands. In the EVS period, the teacher asked children whether they help their parents at home. She is teacher. Students, she is asking, do you help your parents at home? There were different answers. Obviously, individually views will be there. Children named the work in which they help their parents the most. What she is writing here. Whatever children is replying and she is writing on the green board. The teacher collected their answers and made a table. Teachers is writing cleaning and dusting the home, cleaning and dusting, washing clothes. Then she counted. Okay, dusting and clothes, dusting and cleaning. So 9 children like dusting and cleaning. So she collected the data. Here you can see help most in housework, number of children. Going to the market, 47. Washing utensils, 15. Washing clothes, 3. Making serving food, 25. Cleaning the house, 10. Total children who said they help their parent are 7, 5, 12, 3, 15, 15, 5, 20, carry over 2. 2, 4, 6, 7 to 9 and 100. That means 100 children's data she collected. Okay. Then what happened? Let's see. Now you can fill the chapati chart. See here, it is called chapati chart. Now till now you have seen in the newspaper or news channel the chart in the bar graph form, but it is called chapati chart, pie chart, circular information about in the circular way. So now you can fill the chapati chart to show the numbers given in the table. Look and find out. Children who help in making or serving food are. Children who help in making or serving food are how many? $25. So here you will write children who help in making or serving food are 25. Now 1/3 of the total children. First I will solve this. So first you will copy the question, below you will solution whatever I will solve on the green board. Then second question you will copy and then solution I am giving you. Then for next question you will copy, that means C. Then solution I will give, you will copy. Then we will study this chapati chart. Okay. Now you can see for sub question A, total number of children equal to 100, then 1/3 of 100, 100 divided by 3. When you will divide up to 2 decimal, I have solved. 3, first extreme let 1. So division is not possible. Move forward. So 10, 3 3s are 9, 10 minus 9, 1 bring down 0, 3 3s are 9. Again 1 is remainder. So we will put decimal. So decimal will give 0, so 3 3s are 9. Again decimal will give 0, 3 3s are 9. So before 2 digit we will put decimal. But 33 and 33 parts is possible of children? No. That's why remainder we will solve the question and 33 will write. क्योंकि 33 का पार्ट उसके बाद चिल्ड्रन का कोई कट थोड़ी हो सकता कि इतना पार्ट है, तो हम राउंड ऑफ में जो राउंड ऑफ नंबर है उसमें हम 33 चिल्ड्रन, वी विल टेक ओनली 33 चिल्ड्रन. सो 1/3 of 100 children is equal to 33 children. Now half of the 100, total number of children equal to 100, then half of the 100, that means 100 divided by 2. 1 by 2, that means 100 divided by 2. So half of the children will be, you can see 2 5s are 10, bring down this 0. That 0 only we will, you will put here, that one you are bringing down, okay. So 0. So 50 children, half of the 100, that means 50 children. Again you will write in the C part also, total number of children equal to 100, then 1/4 of 100. So 1/4 of 100, 100 divided by 4, you will do this, okay. Now you can see children, look and find out, that means is this chapati chart. I told you from the table 25 children, but now we study the chapati chart and answer the questions. Children who help in making or serving food are, see here, you can see, no, not we can say straight line, this chapati chart, straight line, that means half part of this and half part of this, okay. From there, light pink color, you can, very small part with pink color, you can see here, that means less number of children will be here. So from the table only 3, and 3 children washing clothes. So here you will write 3 washing clothes, and maximum part, this maximum part is this. So maximum number 47 going to the market. So here you will write 47 going to the market. Now see children, easily now you can see this and this part you have completed, that means half chapati chart done. Then you can see here, from this half, one line is there. So this is for 25, because when you will divide this chapati chart, 4 equal part, 25, 25, 25, 25. So 100 children you will get. So this part will be for serving, making or serving food. That means 25 children who help in making or serving food are. And the left part, already this filled, and here you will write, this work you will do, okay. You can make big circle, big chapati. So these are left value, you will write 15. So 15 washing utensils. In this way you will complete your chapati chart. Now practice time after school. Already we are after school. Ask 10 of your friends about they like to do most after school: watching TV, playing football, reading storybook, playing on mobile or laptop, watching, or whatever you want to write here activity, you will do yourself this, okay. Now see on the next page. Admit. Ragini loves to watch cartoons on television. One day she thought of counting the number of 8s during the breaks. She is counting how many advertisements come during the break. And the whole program she counted and she noted. She found that in each break there were 14 advertisements. In 10 of those 8s there were children as actors. And she observed from all the advertisements she has seen during the program, from those 10 aids advertisements in there, children performed. Okay, now what happened? Why do you think the children are used in so many aids? See here, most probably in most of the advertisement we also see the children are performing. First of my point of view, we all like and love to children, because we like to see the children's activity, and we like to children, their innocence and childish or other habits. In FB also and YouTube also, different activities we see, we enjoy. So that's why in advertisement, that's why I think the children are used in so many ads, because each and every stage, चाहे वो बच्चा हो या बूढ़ा हो और या फिर यंग हो या बा हो या आपके घर पे, वी ऑल लव टू वॉच चिल्ड्रंस एक्टिविटीज. और सबसे बड़ा उनका ब्रांड होना चाहिए वो, तो चिल्ड्रन दे कैन अट्रैक्ट इजीली. दैट्स व्हाई आई थिंक that children are used in so many ads. Use telemarks to count the number of ads during a short break in a program. So choose any short program, and then during the breaks or movie you can choose 1.5 hours, 2 hours, and then you will note that program's name and telemarks. You will note down how many during the breaks, how many advertisement you have counted. So this activity you will do yourself. Now try yourself. Next time when you watch your favorite TV program, count the number of advertisements during each break. Use telemark. This also you will do. Use telemarks. Put a dot below the tele when you find children in any advertisement. If children is performing in that advertisement, you will put dot. Suppose that in second break you observed in that break children performed, so you will put dot. Compare with your friends. Do you get different answers? And then tell this thing, same to same thing, tell to do your friend, and then compare. Okay, now see on the next page, hot and cold. Have you seen the weather report on TV or in newspaper? Say children, if yet now you have not seen, but now start watching the TV, and especially Mausam. So when you will weather, you will check on the newspaper or news on TV, so you will get the idea what is the importance of bars or chart papers. These are 2 bar charts. You can see these 2 bar charts for same cities, but months are different. Maybe we can say in the summer season and winter. These show the highest temperature in degrees Celsius in 4 cities, the unit of temperature. Suppose that we sugar we measure in kg, liquid liter milliliter. Same way temperature we measure in degree Celsius, Fahrenheit or other unit also. On different on 2 different days, the cities are Delhi, Shimla, Bengaluru and Jaisalmer. You can see Delhi, Shimla, Bangalore, Jaisalmer. Delhi, Shimla, Bangalore, Jaisalmer. Now 1st June. Observe. Now find out from the bar chart. First we will study, then reply. Which city is the hottest on 1st June? So hottest on 1st June. So 1st June. So bar graph of 1st June. First we will observe. And temperature. So highest temperature 38 degree. In which city? Jaisalmer. So you will write here answer. Jaisalmer is the city or Jaisalmer is the hottest city on 1st June. Which city is the coldest on 1st December? So minimum temperature. Cold, that means minimum. So minimum temperature in Shimla on 1st December. So we will write Shimla is the coldest city on 1st December. Which city shows little change in temperature on the 2 days 1st June and 1st December? Difference between the temperature. See here, Delhi. 10 degree Celsius difference between Delhi's temperature. That means in between 2 different months for same city. Now Shimla, Bangalore, less difference. Here the difference between 10 degree, then here also 12 degree, here 4 degree, 28 degree minus 24, 4 degree, and here so much of difference. So little difference in Bangalore. So we will write Bangalore shows little change in the temperature on the 2 days 1st June and 1st December, that is 28 degree minus 24 degree is equal to 4 degree. Now see here, try yourself on any one day. This activity for you, not for me. So you will do and you will send on my personal WhatsApp number your homework. On any one day, choose any 3 cities or record their temperature from the TV or newspaper. If Gujarat state you are taking, so take Gujarat's 3 cities. If Madhya Pradesh, then from Madhya Pradesh. Rajasthan, then from Rajasthan. You will choose in this way. And a note, record their temperature from the TV or newspaper, from anywhere. Make a bar chart in your notebook. So in rough notebook you will form the bar chart, you will make the bar chart and you will send on my personal WhatsApp number in your notebook, and ask your friends a few questions about it. See if they understand your chart. So in this way you will take practice of the bar chart. So this activity you will do yourself.